Our old people had been striving for a new wharekai, but they didn't have the vision of what a new wharekai was going to look like. With our old wharekai, we were still pumping water just to do our dishes, putting the pot on the fire. You know, that was up to last year. We were still doing that.
One of the main features of this building was a brief from Te Ariki Nui, and that was to ensure that we took in the view of the harbour. So that was our main focus, to take in the view of the harbour and to have an efficient kitchen that 4 people or so could operate and feed 100 to 200 people. We have a dishwasher, we have combi cookers. The old one just had an ordinary 4-element stove. We didn't have a chiller before. So in terms of modern equipment, it is huge.
It makes it a lot easier for our kaimahi, and it reduces the time, I guess, in preparing the kai, is to cooking it and putting it onto the table.
We've waited 54, 55 years for this.
As long as I've been here on the earth, it's been condemned, so I think that, I think the whānau did really well. It looks so nice inside.
Oh, it's a blessing, absolute blessing.
I'm just so proud, proud to be Ngāti Hikairo, proud of our new dining room. All the years of fundraising, and then all of a sudden we found these funders who came out of the woodworks to help us. I've got to take my hat off to them, the major funders for our wharekai.
I think having a new wharekai has just given our people faith in a dream. They had a dream 40, 50 years ago of building a new wharekai, and it's finally become a reality.